Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for everything lifestyle, cooking, and more. Here at House Lux, we're all about enriching your day-to-day experiences with informative, entertaining, and engaging content. From the latest trends in home decor to the tastiest recipes and most effective cooking techniques, we're your one-stop destination for all things lifestyle and culinary. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of professional cooking. We've compiled a list of 10 critical things that every aspiring chef should know before stepping into the kitchen. Whether you're dreaming of running your own restaurant someday or simply looking to elevate your home-cooked meals, these insights will come in handy. So grab your apron, sharpen your knives, and prepare to delve into the art, science, and business of cooking. Let's dive into what it takes to become a successful chef. At number 10, we have passion for cooking. Yes, you heard it right, passion. It's not just about perfecting your knife skills or mastering the art of sautéing. It's about the love for the craft, the joy you get when you combine ingredients to create something delicious. It's the magic that happens when you're in the kitchen, completely lost in the act of cooking. This passion is what will keep you going when the going gets tough. It's what will push you to experiment with flavors and techniques, to step out of your comfort zone and create dishes that are uniquely yours. It's the passion for cooking that will fuel your perseverance, allowing you to overcome obstacles and continue to grow and evolve as a chef. It's the love for food and the joy of creating that truly sets great chefs apart. Remember, passion is the fuel that drives success in any field, especially in cooking. Number 9 on our list is the fact that learning never stops. That's right, folks. In the culinary world, the wheel of knowledge never stops turning. You see, food and cooking are not static. They're dynamic, always evolving, always surprising us with new flavors, techniques, and trends. To stay at the top of your culinary game, you need to embrace continual learning. Keep your senses sharp, your mind open, and your hands ready for new culinary adventures. This could mean experimenting with exotic ingredients, mastering the latest culinary gadget, or simply keeping abreast of the hottest food trends. Remember, the kitchen is both a laboratory and a playground. It's a place where science meets art, where tradition meets innovation. And to harness the true power of this space, you need to be a perpetual student. Even the best chefs in the world never stop learning and experimenting. Coming in at number 8, we have culinary school. Now, there's a lot to consider when it comes to culinary school. It's not exactly a requirement to become a chef, but it can certainly provide a solid foundation. Culinary school offers structured learning, a chance to master the basics, and an opportunity to network with industry professionals. Plus, that diploma can crack open doors in the industry that might otherwise remain closed. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Culinary school can be a significant investment of both time and money. And let's not forget, the kitchen is a classroom in its own right. Many successful chefs have honed their skills through years of hands-on experience without stepping foot in a culinary school. So it's a balance. Weigh your options, consider your circumstances, and make the choice that's right for you. Whether or not you choose to attend culinary school, dedication and practice are key. At number 7, we talk about handling criticism. Now this one's a biggie. In the high-stakes world of culinary arts, criticism is as much a part of the job as the fresh ingredients and sharp knives. You see, a kitchen is a place of constant evaluation from customers, fellow chefs, and even food critics. And let's be honest, not all of it will be sugar-coated. So, how does one navigate this maze of opinions? Well, the golden rule is to see criticism not as an attack, but as an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn, to improve, and to excel. Remember, the most successful chefs are those who take feedback on the chin, sift through it for valuable insights, and use it to refine their craft. In essence, criticism, when taken constructively, can be a chef's best friend. So embrace it. Let it fuel your passion and drive you to culinary heights you've only dreamed of. Number 6 on our list is experimentation and creativity. To truly shine in the culinary world, you need a dash of daring and a pinch of pizzazz. No two palates are the same, and what delights one diner may disappoint another. That's where your culinary creativity comes into play. It's all about creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the tongue and linger in the memory. Think of yourself as a taste artist, blending ingredients into a masterpiece of flavor. Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to swap out ingredients, play with spices, or create your own unique recipes. Remember, the best chefs are those who aren't afraid to push the boundaries. The kitchen is your laboratory, and each dish is an experiment. Every failure is a lesson learned, and every success a triumph to be savored. So be bold, be brave, and let your culinary creativity run wild. After all, the kitchen is your canvas, and the ingredients are your paint. Coming in at number 5, we have kitchen etiquette. The kitchen is not just a space for cooking, it's a stage where respect, cleanliness, and teamwork play leading roles. A chef's respect for the kitchen space is a testament to their respect for the craft. It's about treating equipment with care, keeping your station immaculate, and ensuring you're leaving it just as clean for the next person. Cleanliness is not merely a matter of aesthetics, but of safety and efficiency as well. A clean kitchen is a safe kitchen, and a safe kitchen is an efficient one. Remember, in a professional kitchen, no one is a solitary island. You are part of a team, and practicing good teamwork is crucial. It's about supporting one another, communicating effectively, and working towards a common goal, creating beautiful, delicious dishes. Remember, a well-run kitchen is not just about the food produced, but also the respect and cooperation among its team. A well-run kitchen is a harmonious kitchen. Number 4 on our list is health and safety. Let's dive right in, shall we? In the culinary world, understanding and adhering to health and safety regulations isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. The kitchen, while a place of creativity and innovation, can also be a danger zone if not handled with care. Hot surfaces, sharp utensils, slippery floors, the list goes on. It's essential to know how to navigate these potential hazards to prevent accidents. And don't forget about food safety. Bacteria, allergens, and cross-contamination are just a few of the threats lurking in your ingredients. Proper food handling, storage, and preparation techniques are vital to prevent foodborne illnesses. Remember, as a chef, you're not just responsible for creating delicious meals. You're also entrusted with the well-being of everyone who enjoys your creations. Your thorough understanding of health and safety regulations could be the difference between a satisfied customer and a disastrous health violation. Safety first, because your health and your customers' health depend on it. At number 3, we have understanding ingredients. As a chef, your palette is your most important tool. Each ingredient is like a unique color that you can mix and match to create a beautiful piece of art. So it's essential to understand the subtle differences between ingredients, their flavors, and how they interact with each other. Take garlic, for instance. It can be sweet when roasted, pungent when raw, and mild when sautéed. Knowing these nuances allows you to use garlic in a variety of ways to create diverse and exciting flavors. Or consider the humble egg. It can be a binding agent in baking, a star in an omelet, or a glossy finish in a glaze. Understanding ingredients extends beyond just taste. It involves knowing how different cooking methods can transform an ingredient and how ingredients can affect each other. It's a science, an art, and a language all in one. Knowing your ingredients is like knowing your tools. Coming in at number 2, we have business skills. Being a chef is not just about whipping up delectable dishes, it's also about understanding the business side of things. Let's break it down. Firstly, budgeting. This is the backbone of any successful kitchen. As a chef, you must understand how to make the most out of your available resources without compromising the quality of your food. Next, cost management. It's one thing to create a culinary masterpiece, but what if it's too expensive to produce? Or worse, too pricey for your customers? This is where cost management steps in, ensuring your kitchen remains profitable. Lastly, customer service. As the saying goes, the customer is always right. A chef must know how to handle customer feedback, both praise and criticism, with grace and professionalism. So you see, a successful chef is not just about culinary skills. A successful chef is also a savvy business person. And finally, at number 1, we have stamina and dedication. Becoming a chef is not just about mastering the art of cooking. It's about resilience, endurance, and a burning dedication to keep going even when the heat is on, literally and figuratively. The kitchen is a battlefield where chefs wage war against time, ingredients, and culinary expectations. It requires physical strength to withstand long hours standing, the mental fortitude to manage stress, and the emotional resilience to bounce back from setbacks. But above all, it demands an unwavering dedication to the craft. A chef's journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about refining skills, expanding knowledge, and pushing boundaries one dish at a time. This journey requires a deep-seated commitment to culinary excellence and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Just remember, every perfect dish, every satisfied customer, and every culinary breakthrough is a testament to a chef's stamina and dedication. Stamina and dedication are the backbone of every successful chef. And there you have it, the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a chef. As we wrap up, let's revisit these crucial points. Your passion for cooking is the fire that will fuel your culinary journey. Remember, learning never stops in the kitchen, and culinary school can be a great avenue to broaden your knowledge. Be ready to handle criticism, and let it inspire you to improve. Never underestimate the power of experimentation and creativity in creating mouth-watering dishes. Alongside this, understanding kitchen etiquette, health, and safety measures are key to a harmonious and safe working environment. Dive deep into understanding ingredients, their unique flavors, and how they interact with each other. Don't forget, possessing business skills is just as important as your cooking skills. Lastly, stamina and dedication are your best companions in this demanding yet rewarding profession. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more informative and engaging content. Happy cooking!